Okay, now I will talk about determining the end behavior of the graph of polynomial function. I have planned to finish all the video on objective 3 today, so you can quickly finish those topics. Determine the end behavior of graph of a polynomial function. So to figure out this one, we need to understand two basic functions. If the function is a x square, the leading term of a quadratic function, or f of x equals negative x squared. So the coefficient is positive, coefficient is negative, and the polynomial is with the even degree. Or a polynomial with a positive coefficient with odd degree. Polynomial with a negative coefficient odd degree. So what we are concerned about, the degree, is it odd or even of the polynomial, and the leading coefficient, if it is positive or negative. So if the degree if the degree is even number and the leading coefficient is positive, if I graph that function, the graph goes like this. That means actually, if I graph this function, let me regraph. It will be like this. So we can see from the left side, it rises to the left, it rises to the right. If we graph even degree and leading coefficient negative, then the graph looks like this, means it falls to the left, falls to the right. If the degree is odd and the leading coefficient is positive, then graph looks like this. It falls to the left, rise to the right. If degree is odd and the leading coefficient negative, then, sorry, it's hard to graph. So then it rises to the left, falls to the right. So these are basic thing you need to remember when you are doing this one. So for example, if I look at the first question given here, the leading term is this one in the polynomial. And the degree is 5, means odd degree. So goes one of these. Now the leading coefficient is negative, so goes to this one. So remember, it rises to the left, falls to the right. So rises to the left, falls to the right. This will be the answer. So once you can remember this one, it's very easy to do this topic. It's a very quick topic. Okay, let's look at more example. Now I will clear all the drawings so you have to remember. So if I go to the second question, so this was this answer. The leading term is this one. So degree is odd and leading coefficient is positive. So think about graph x square, leading coefficient positive, degree even number. So degree even, leading coefficient positive. So it rises to the left, rises to the right. So this will be the answer. Now, third one, we have to figure out the leading term. They didn't give us. So we have a 3. This x has exponent 1, so x to the power 1. And this has exponent 2, so times x squared. So if we figure out the leading term, we get 3x to the power 3. So 3x cubed. This is the leading term. So degree, odd number, and leading coefficient positive. So try to remember x cube function. It looks like this. So it falls to the left, rises to the right. So this will be falls to the left and rises to the right. Hope this one helps. It's very easy and simple and quick topic. Thank you.